Oh, I'm on video. This is for your mommy. It's for your mama. That way she can see how you're living right now.
Hey, baby powder is very most.
What is that on your face? Is that Perspire? Oh. Oh my. What?
Oh my god!
Go ahead. You're not burning up, are you?
Very burning up.
Where are you at right now?
Haiti.
Let's check his hairdo out. You always have your hair just perfect.
No, look at it.
Oh.
Just wait until they.
Are you happy to be here?
Very happy.
Good.
It's just very hot.
Where's your skirt at? Oh.
You gotta wear these. Right here.
Or what?
Oh, you get coated.